into the selfies.
Alright, back into it. This is Lower Bangalore. The locals will know exactly where we are. Canyons call it the Waterfall Warehouse. I've done it a few times, but I'm going to take the young fella down for a hike, so should be a good day. Let's get into it. Hold them trees, eh? Like that. That's my bridge. I've walked across that thing about 3 times. She's still holding up. But seriously, check this spot out. This is one of the best swimming holes around, I reckon. And then there's another waterfall above it. Best spot for a swim in summer, eh? If you didn't have to navigate that thing. A good day. Alright, we're going to navigate the ledge of death over here. Just take our time here, and then once you're down here, it's not as bad. Back in don't slip country. Don't want to slip down there. You'll hit the water, but still hurt. Water's cold. Won't feel great. We're down. Another incredible spot, eh? Yeah, so there's a little cave in there where that big boulder is. Pretty sure that's where the canyon is roped down through there. Pretty cool little crevice in there. This log is slippery as hell. It's too bloody cold to swim today. I'm not going in there. My old legs will seize up. Yeah, you can see Jessie down there for size. She's decent. Doesn't look that big from the top, but big fall. So the canyoner's anchor is up there. Why? Why is he like this? Oh, boy's gonna give me a heart attack, eh? Yeah, go this way. Go that side, you're over there. That's cool, eh? Check this moss out. That's gotta be, it's like 10 centimeters thick. So cool. Use that as a pillow. Right, mini gorge time. Cool little canyon in here. Well, the whole thing's a canyon, but you know what I mean. Bloody loud in here, eh? I wonder how deep that hole is. It's got to be deep. Adios. On to the next one. Oh, please get back from the edge. I'm not hiking with the boy again, eh? He's giving me a heart attack. There's a decent drop down there. Big drop, eh? No. I'll throw you off, mate. Right, let's get to the bottom. Let's go. Cool, these grass trees in here. There's a few sitting up right on this ridge here. I think it's the third or fourth time here. This waterfall still blows me away. Let's get down the bottom here and get a better shot of it. Alright, let's crack on. Got two more to hit. Then with jet. Bloody hell, how nice is this little swimming hole? Crystal clear. Bloody wicked swimming hole down here. It's got a bit of a sandy base to it too. Ooh. Yeah. Bad jumping spot, eh? How cool is that, eh? You can see 1, too. And there's a big dog up there with us at. Such a fun creek to hike, eh? Right, let's go. We'll get down to probably, I reckon it's got to be my favourite spot on the Coffs Coast. Mate, surprisingly, still a decent flow. Still cranking. Oh, this place is next level, this spot. Oh, where are you? Oh. Horrible, eh? Worst spot. How goes that for a swimming hole? Then you got like a 20-metre drop over there. I'm gonna climb down it. There's a bit of a cave behind that. See how we go getting down that one, and then we might just jet back up the ridge and just bush turkey it straight out of there. See how we go. These are the places you find if you push a bit further and get off the beaten track. Absolute paradise. Love it. Go on, big dog. Who's going in there? Freezing. I would, but yeah, definitely would. Not today. Mate, those feet would make wallabies jealous. Who gave you them things? Oh, stop it. Might try and might try and scout away down the bottom of this big one while he's having a swim. Had a rope. Weapon. Alright, it's cliffy, but there's a few ledges to hold on to down there and a bit viney, so we should be able to grab onto some of them. I reckon we can get down there. Easy work. I'll go interrupt Undy Man from his swim. Bit of a dodgy climb down. Probably should have gone the right hand side, but anyway. Alright, down. Waiting for the boy. That's bloody steep. Where is he? Has to wear camo gear, doesn't he? So I can't see him. That looks so cool. What a bloody paradise. That's tempting to hike back up that thing. Might have to. Alright, that doesn't look like much, but that's... Oh, I might be able to put my foot in that hole actually. See if we can get over there. Walk the plank, boy. Yeah, it should drop down and land. And you can walk across it. How wild is this place? I'm gonna go up one of these sides. Probably the right here. As much as that looks like a fun little climb up through the crevice. Alright, that was a bit of a mission. Get down that bloody cliff. Seriously, check that out. Little cave in there behind it and everything. What a spot. That is so cool, eh? Hell yeah. Alright, what a spot. Time to jet on out of here. Not going to be fun. We're pretty steep down, so we might go up creek left and see if we can join back up the road. Go. Got the stinging tree to the face. Yeah. Decent wall, eh? Bit canyony, but see, I'll climb up past this bit. Let's see how we go. Alright, this is shit, but we're gonna keep going now. Not gonna lie, this way sucks. Probably shouldn't have come this way, but anyway. It's hard to get any grip at all, but we'll just keep plodding along, see how we go. Trying to make our way up a tiny little cut in. We keep smashing through this lantana, but just keep plodding along, we'll get there. Yeah, you live and you learn. I'm gonna exit this way again. Actually so steep. It's probably the steepest thing I've climbed out of, eh? How much do you hate me? You alright? Jesus Christ.
Come here, brother.
Oh, hello. Hey, that a sight. Right, we are back at the rig. Thank God that mission turned out to be a bit harder than we expected, or we made it a bit harder than it needed to be with that climb out. But, mate, we are cooked, so we're going to go jump in the pool, cool off. Don't know where we're going next, but see you out there.